Yes guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a compare and a comparison of which one is the better R. We've got a Type R over there and we've got the Marque Golf R here. What's the similarities on them both? They're both hot hatches. That one doesn't look like a hatchback though, that looks like a saloon. That's a Japanese, this is a German. This man,
yeah.
Come through lad. Tell us about your car.
So,
for the people that don't know, this video is sponsored by Car Vertical. Now if you're in the market looking to buy a used car, then I highly suggest you check out the history of that vehicle. Car Vertical can do everything for you. All you need to do is put the vehicle registration or the VIN into the website and it comes up with tons of information, as you can see on the screen as an example. This is a Range Rover Evoque and you can see the pictures of the damage of the car as well. If the car's been stolen, which this one has in the UK, as well as any mileage rollbacks and tons of more information on there that you need to know. Now I have a code which will give you 20% off. Just simply use the code MO and you'll get 20% off. It's a no-brainer. If you're buying a car, make sure you do your checks, because I'm sure you'd want to know the history before spending your hard-earned money.
I'm Drive Check. You might have seen me in a couple of the videos. I'm normally the one behind the camera, so it's a bit of a switch up today. I'm with Harris, he's got his car, I've got my car. We're going to do a bit of a comparison. So I'm going to run you through my Type R myself. So yeah, here she is. 2019 Civic Type R, 2-litre turbo. I've done all the mod cons, you know, you've got the intake, you've got the intercooler, you've got the Remus exhaust. It doesn't have a downpipe yet, so that's coming soon. Other bits and bobs that I've done the M-style mirror caps, I've changed the reflectors, all that kind of stuff. But to be honest,
sorry to interrupt, but he thinks it's a BMW.
Oh no.
Obviously BMW takes that crown,
yeah,
of bringing them out. However, on this car though, it does look
I
good.
reckon they go with the lines quite a lot.
Genuinely,
I reckon it does. Look good.
I mean, you can even get them on them.
Can you?
I don't want to get them on them.
Do you reckon?
I feel like on this it does
this
look well.
Because it kind of goes with the wing as well,
Yes,
innit?
it's got a lot of creases on this car.
Yeah, 100%.
And you know what guys, I've just interrupted, but I just want to say that this Type R, it just looks really menacing. So aggressive. All the creases.
Yeah, 100%.
Literally everywhere you look on the car, it's got a good wide stance.
Yeah. It's one of them cars, it doesn't really have a bad angle.
Even the arches, you know what I mean? The rear arches, and this is a hatchback.
Yeah,
Like
that's one thing a lot of people don't realise. This is a hatchback. They do make a saloon version of this one. But yeah, other than that, the car's pretty much stock. It is running a stage 1 tune. Other than that, man, you've got the 20-inch rims, the Brembo brakes. It's in that beautiful metallic blue. A lot of people would say the red, like why didn't you get the red? But I think this is the best colour. Yeah, again, Remus valved exhaust. I've done the mud flaps. It looks a lot more like a rally car. But yeah, big wing, massive boot. I mean, it's a bit dirty, but there we go. Big boot. One good feature as well about the Type R, right? So it's a simple. Now a lot of people. Now I've never personally used this. I don't really get the point of it. But a lot of people, when they go for their shopping, they want to switch that around. All you do is you pop this out, and you can switch sides like that, and that is how easy it is. What do you think of that? Pretty good feature, that, isn't it?
Yeah, that is a very good feature, man.
But yeah, massive boot, and the wing goes with the boot, so it just looks crazy.
And the body kit, you forgot to mention that this body kit is standard.
Yeah,
can you believe that?
That's how they come.
That's how they come out of Honda. I couldn't believe it. You know, when I first asked him, I said, "Did you put that on yourself?" He goes, "No. When you buy a Honda Type R from Honda, they provide you with all of this.
They provide you with even the carbon bits. I mean, I don't think it's not real. It's not real carbon." But
it still looks nice.
Yeah, it does look nice. It goes well with the interior. The interior's got a couple carbon accents.
If you bring it in, even things like this red strip around the alloy wheel, it just finishes it off, and then it doesn't stop there. It goes all the way onto the side skirt.
Yeah, 100%.
Followed onto the front lip.
Bang on.
I mean, with the red Brembo brake calipers on those
the red seats,
bucket seats.
The interior.
It's just striking you.
I reckon we could do a whole separate video on the interior, but here it is. You've got the Type R bucket seats. Just a good place to be in, of course. The manual transmission. Again, little mod cons that I've done is probably the ambient lighting, the Starlight head roof liner, just something just to make this car a bit more daily friendly, because again it's my daily. But yeah, you've got decent room, again decent amount of space in the back. One thing though, right, and we've got Ollie's camera bag in there, show them that, yeah, brilliant. And one thing that I didn't know when coming to buy this Type R is it's actually a 4-seater, so I can't legally fit 5 people because there's not a 5th seat belt, which is something that a lot of people are aware of when they come to buy a Type R. But enough of the Type R.
That's actually mad, that.
Did you not know?
No.
See, Harris didn't know. It's only got 4 seat belts.
You learn something new every day, don't you, ladies and gentlemen?
Yeah, only 4 seat belts. But yeah, enough of that. I mean, I could go on for days about this car, but let's move on to the Golf R.
Now on to my Golf R. This is the Marquee Golf R. There's not much to show like Ismail's car. IQ adaptive LED headlights to start with that we've got on these. These are the upgraded LED lights. Very good for, you know, UK roads. 19-inch Astorial jet black alloy wheels with the blue brake calipers to complement the lapis blue. A little side skirt. Coming onto the rear, we've got a Miltech exhaust system. The tailpipes are bigger than your standard ones. Decent diffuser. I might add another one, you know, to get the middle fins a bit bigger. This is the R-Pack, so it's got the spoiler. And yeah, there's not much else to say on it on the outside, really. Right, for me personally, this angle of the car is my best angle. Let me know what you guys think. I think with that wing, it just makes it look nice and sleek. We've got some R badging on the side, and we have a chameleon tint on the front.
Yours is 2 litre, isn't it?
Yeah. So under the bonnet we have the EA888. I believe this is the 3rd generation one. 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, which it is a good engine, to be fair. It's been around for a while. You know, it shares the same engine as the S3. They're good engines. If you look after them, they can take a good beating. So that's what we're working with. Under there it is 315 brake horsepower out of the box, but dyno figures did about 342. So Volkswagen underpower them. There's not much else to it really. It's a stock engine.
So under my bonnet, this is a 2-litre turbo turbocharged engine, and as you can tell, it's not. I'm not even trying to hide it at this point. It's got a full Venturi intake system. It's got the PRL intercooler as well. No downpipes, and it doesn't have a blow-off valve. It's got the stock blow-off valve. So I reckon in the future definitely needs a blow-off valve. Other than that, yeah, it just sounds insane, and obviously it adds that. It makes the engine, you know, feel a lot more responsive. I think the manual, you can't beat a manual. Like, put in the comment section below.
Yeah.
A manual is a driver's car, right? And with that, especially with the way Honda have refined it, I daily that car every day. I've never had an issue. And on the weekend, when I want to have a bit of fun, it's not just put your foot on the floor and go. It's more driver focus. You can take it up Lake District. Like, I've been Lake District before.
I'm gonna have to interrupt him there. Guys, I think that as a weekend car, it's perfect. Personal choice, I need an auto every day. I can't be doing with clutch in, clutch out constantly every day. You know, when you're in traffic, when you want to do a shopping run for home, you gotta be going clutch in, clutch out. That's my personal.
But again, it just depends as well. I do a lot of driving, so it's not even a case of, yeah, you do the odd 60, 70 miles. I do like 60, 70 miles a day. I can understand, because from now, I'll be honest, hands up, believe it or not, next I want an auto. I am sick and tired of it. It's not even a case of being sick and tired, it's like, it's that practicality aspect as well of getting in a car and you can just drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that thing that I miss. It's not even that I miss, it's like, I want that feeling of getting in a car.
That's why I say, that doesn't take away the fact that you can't still have fun in these hypos.
Yeah.
You know, you can play with the paddle shifters,
Yeah.
and it's still fun.
Yeah, no, 100%.
But yeah, let us know what you guys think. We're all entitled to our own opinion.
Just put the Civic Type R, be honest.
Would you have a Japanese Type R, or would you have a German Golf R? And who is it? Is it Team German or is it Team Japanese? I think I'm gonna stick with German. I mean, he's trying to slowly steer me into Japanese, taking nothing away from Japanese.
Actually, again, I'm gonna interrupt you there. When I first met Harris, right, he made me love BMWs, right? And now, I'll be honest, since we've spent more time together, I reckon one day he's gonna pull up in a Nissan GTR.
I can't see it happening. Listen, they're amazing cars, but
string. Baby, let me put your panties to the side. I'ma make you feel alright. Cause I'ma give you what you need, yeah. Mama, you remind me of something. I don't know what it is. You remind me of something. You gotta show me, babe. You remind me of something. I don't know what it is right now. You remind me of something. You gotta show me, babe. You remind me of something.